Yeah, no, we're not as cute as most one-year-olds. Now, joining us, though, is to celebrate that and celebrate one-year-olds, Ann Cleary from Hiccups Baby Boutique. Thanks for being here, Ann.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Hi, Ann. So be honest, what did you think of our photos?
You know, smash cakes are everything, so good job, guys. It's a strong effort. I'm surprised nobody put their face directly into it. I feel like that happens.
We were supposed to do that. Nobody wanted
Nobody
to.
took
It was enough to
okay.
put my fingers in it.
We're way too vain for that, Ann. Well, Ann, let's learn a little bit about Hiccups. So what do you offer parents who might be celebrating a one-year-old's birthday party or other type of milestone?
So Hiccups definitely focuses on infant and toddler items. When I came up with the idea for Hiccups, it was going to be primarily toys, but we have had a lot of interest in clothing, specifically pajamas. When you think of the items that your kids spend the most time in, 0 to 3, 0 to 5, it's pajamas. I brought this one for you guys to see just because I thought it would fit whatever we were doing. It is from our magnet collection, so it closes with magnets.
Oh.
It's obviously for a little girl, hence all the ruffles, but it has different types of cake on it and says W is for wedding cake, Z is for zebra cake, C is for cupcake, all over the onesie. So that's really celebratory. But we do find that just in general, not just for one-year-olds, that people come in seeking out gifts. I have an education background, even though I don't teach, and so a lot of our gifts or toys tend to be wooden, they tend to be educational, fine motor skills motivated, but we do find that those fun, cheesy, can't find it anywhere else games tend to be the biggest ticket for birthday parties. So I brought you guys a couple of those. I know Michael was already looking at our poop.
What's the name of that game?
It's called Poop Flush Rush.
Okay.
I mean,
So
come on,
it's
guys.
the new version. Last year when we opened, we had a penguin dash and a unicorn one. It's essentially, hopefully I don't age myself too much, but in the 90s, you remember those toys that you'd build it and you'd turn it on with the batteries, and the thing would the cars would go up the escalator and then they go down, right? So it's essentially that, but in poop form. So
Yeah.
We're having a first on our 1-year anniversary
Right,
show.
yeah.
It's like we're one. You're like, did you say poop?
I did bring you guys, this is probably our most popular one-year-old item. Is we do a lot of different flashcards. These are the animal flashcards, but we have flashcards that are teethers. Anything that's animal or food or anything like that is always a big hit. I know first birthday parties, it's kind of all about theming it, whether it's a unicorn theme or an emoji theme or a puppy theme or anything. I've been to too many birthday parties.
There's some great ideas.
Yeah,
Ann.
lots of fun stuff.
Yeah, thank you so much for
Thanks,
bringing all
Ann.
that in, and especially the poop game. I think we might have to buy that for ourselves.
For more information, check out shophiccups.com.